2008 Jeep JK Wrangler, the 3.8 liter V6 engine, 6-speed manual transmission, otherwise known as the family vehicle. Hey, so this is what I got going on. This is a follow-up video from part 1 called the faded restoration bumper, restoration for the rear bumper using a heat gun. You could find that there under Ablecraft. So 7 months ago, I had used the heat gun. This bumper was very gray, super gray, and I didn't want to buy a brand new bumper, so I figured I would use this here heat gun here. It's a Wagner product, and you can see the specs here on the box, Wagner Inferno 300. And I basically use this gun here like this, and I just move the flame back and forth, nice and slowly. Keep that flame moving, or the heat emitting from the gun, I should say, nice and slowly, and about 30 minutes later or so, you had a bumper that's back to black. So if you're tired of having gray bumpers and faded out look, you can take this gun here, and for about 30 bucks at Home Depot, you can have a good result. This Jeep, like I said, it's a 2008, so we're talking 12 years old. You know, I also use this gun here on the other fenders. I'll do a video on that later on, and I'll even do a touch-up video of this gun in action. But for all intents and purposes, I'm very pleased with the results. Very pleased. So, $30 investment. You can use this heat gun for other things like pushing out dents in plastic bumpers, which I have done on the front of this vehicle already. You can have a good result. So, other than that, folks, have yourself a good Ablecraft Jeeping day. And till next time.